All right, guys. So tonight we're going to be making blueberry fat bombs. 8 ounces of regular cream cheese, 8 tablespoons of butter. You want to leave them out for a little bit so they get softened. 1.5 cups of blueberries. Now you can substitute that with raspberries and or strawberries. A half a cup of where's the bag? Pure. As you see, I've added our 8 tablespoons of butter and 8 ounces of cream cheese in the processor. We're going to throw it on, get it blended up, and then we're going to throw in our blueberries and then our sugar substitute. See you in a minute. All right, there we're at with the butter and the cream cheese. Now we're going to add in our blueberries and our sugar substitute. Look at that. Doesn't that look just amazing? So we're going to use the silicone spatula because we want every bit of that fat bomb goodness off of those blades. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take 1 tablespoon and drop it into each cup. Now the reason we do that is it makes sure that your cups are even. So, you'll have some, you'll come back later and realize, oh, well, I could throw a little bit more in there. This way, you're not stressing about it. All right, guys, so what we're going to do is we're just going to gently vibrate it. I know it seems kind of silly, but you want them settled. And for the most part, they are. Now, those blueberries that I told you I set aside, all right, guys, so here we go. I'm going to tell you, first of all, I tried this one right here, and I tried this one, and I tried this one. Absolutely, hands down, the absolute best dessert I've ever made. If you ever wanted, it's the closest thing to Bluebell ice cream in a mini muffin cup. I am telling you, you follow this recipe and you do what I did, it's phenomenal. So what we're going to do now, it's a little tough getting them out because, they're pretty moist. Give it a second. That's it. There we go. So for those that don't know, what fat bombs do when you're on the keto diet, one, it helps you sate your sweet tooth with something healthy. Instead of a whole bunch of carbs, simple sugars, high fructose corn syrup, artificial sweeteners. With your fat bombs, we typically use erythritol, stevia, monk fruit, all natural, zero carb, no insulin response sweeteners. The other thing it does is it keeps your fat, your healthy, good fat levels elevated so you're burning fat throughout the day. I am telling you, hands down, the best recipe I've ever done. As far as desserts, fat bombs, I'll be making this once a week.